well, we are gonna be taking the Cummins for a little ride in Beam NG Drive today. I might have to put this in. Nah, let's put it in 4 high. And we're gonna go off-roading. And we'll start with this little way here. I think it's a little. I'm gonna change volume really quick. Alright, that's better. Oh boy. She's giving her. Oh no. Yep. Alright, almost right into the river. I should have probably put AI on. I didn't turn that on. Oh well. See what it does in the river. Not very good when you're flying in it. I gotta fix the transmission in this thing. Alright, I think I fixed everything. Let's see. So it just shifts by itself. Oh yeah, it seems like it shifts a lot better in automatic mode. I'm using a controller and I don't know the controls to shift manual. Alright, yeah, this seems alright. Don't fall off there. Oh yeah, it's a good truck. I would like to get me a Cummins one day. I won't be doing this with it though, that's for sure. Well, maybe, I don't know, I probably would. Is there roads up there? I don't remember. Huh. Oh yeah, I bent something. Yeah, alright, I'm gonna find some more dirt. Alright, well, found a dirt road up here somewhere. Oh, there it is. There we go. We're gonna go and go up here. Alright. I don't have any mods besides this one. This is the only one I have. So I gotta go with me on that. I just ripped my tire off. Oops. Oh, let's just see how far it'll go. Hey, there's my tire. I want it back. Oh no. Oh well. That sucks. Okay, it's not going that far. There we go. Fixed. Just like new. My. Okay. Anyways, I was gonna say I have a Dodge. It's a 2001. It's actually higher than this one is. And it's white. But it's a second gen, not the first gen. And it's just a half ton. But it's my mud truck. So, yeah. She's only a trail rider and mudding, and that's it. That's all I use it for. My truck would have crawled up that. Probably not. Alright. Well, then. I need to find some good stuff around here, but I don't know this map that well. I don't know any of these maps that well, actually, so I have no idea. Let's see if we can make out this. Yeah, off-roading with the Cummins, and I already broke it. Again. My god. I haven't played this game that much. Huh. The whole front end shifted. I can't even turn. Well, I guess I have to reset it. Alright, let's try this again. Oh yeah, she's giving her. Oh yeah, she'll make her. Oh yeah, she's good. Man, this is a good mod, I guess. Alright. Oh, I can't make out that. There's no way. Oh yeah, I guess I could put it in 4 low, huh? I hope I'm talking loud enough. Probably not. No, I won't make out this. Alright. Come on, there we go. Oh boy, oh there's rocks and trees and things that the truck should not hit. Oh boy, yeah, okay, I think we're good. Is it turn? Oh yeah, I think we're good. No, it's broken. Oh, 4-wheel drive. Yeah, she's broke. I don't know what is broken on it. Well, I decided to take a break on my garage, so I decided let's just play this game. Why not? Yeah. All right. What was I gonna see what I can drive up now? Not going down there. Nope, definitely not. Ow. Oh, we'll see how long it lasts. How many times do I have to wreck it? Huh, let me see. Probably a few. Eh. Jesus. Oh boy. Yeah, she's broken. Alright. Let's do that again. I won't need. There's actually tunnels and stuff. I just don't remember where they are. I just drove down one, like, not too long ago. I know everybody probably knows this game a lot more than I do. 'Cause it's been a while since I played last. I only have 13 hours in this. Oh no, I broke my drive shaft. Oh. I broke the front one. Yep. How many times is it gonna break? Off-road. Oh, that's a tree. Radiator leaking. Huh, I wonder why. Whoops. Well, yep, let's do that again. I like the crash physics in this thing. I wonder how long it'll last without restarting it. Before the engine blows up from overheating. Oh, yeah. Oh, what's this? What is this place? I forgot you can. Oh no, you can't go in there. Okay. Well, this is a place. I don't know what it is though. Yeah. I want more mods, but I gotta figure out how to install them. It took me a while to install it on my garage, so it's gonna take me a while to figure out how to do it on here. That was a jump. Actually, I handled that one pretty good. I don't think it's gonna last right here. And dead. Oh, look at that. It's actually still running. It's still moving. Oh. Alright. Come on. Move. I don't think I'll make it up that. Alright, reset. No, make her up in 4i. Huh. Okay. Oh, there's a tunnel. I forgot. How do you turn on lights? Oh boy. There was buttons. I forgot what button to use. Huh? Of course I forgot. Alright, let me get to this tunnel, and then... Yeah, well... Whenever I get to this tunnel, I'm gonna look and just wreck my truck some more and get no steering. Oh, there it is. Do I need lights on in there? Yeah, it looks like I might. Let's see. Oh yeah. I can't see. Alright, I figured out how to turn lights on. I did not hit that horn. I turned the AI on really quick too. So this is a mining tunnel, or no, it's actually a train tunnel. Is that a way? I don't know. But I want to be able to turn in here. If there's any other tunnels, I'm not going to be able to turn. Oh, there's one right here. Oh, I was able to turn in this one. And it looks like a dead end to me. Or does it? Hold on. Get up here. Why does the truck want to... Oh, stupid train tracks. I hate getting stuck on those when I'm on trails. Kinda sucks. I don't think it wants. Yeah, it's a dead end. Uh oh, now I gotta find my way out of here. Oh, god, alright. That's fine. Okay, back to the beginning. I wasn't gonna be able to find that. Yep. Alright. Oh, yeah, that hurts. Oh, great. Oh no, steering's off. Oh. I can't turn. Okay, we fixed it. Oh boy. Be nice if I was out here already, I guess. This is a nice tunnel though. I'd like to actually find one like this. It'd be fun to actually explore for real. There I am. See, there's AI cars. What do you want? Yeah. There's a career mode. I should probably test that out too. Oh no. Well, if it wasn't upside down, it'd be fine. Alright, well, I spawned some please. I never actually... somehow that one's stuck. Okay. Hey, they're all... Okay, they're all stuck. Well, I don't know what's going on here, but... I'm all... Oh, no! Whoops. Well, they're after me, apparently, but... yeah, they're kind of stuck for some reason. Oh, it glitched for a minute there. Whoa, uh-oh. No, they're not getting me down here, and I have no steering. Wow. Alright, here we go. Let's do this. And then we're going off-road. Oh, no, this is off-roading. I don't know where we're going, but we're gonna go off the cliff. That's where we're going. Well, I mean... Never mind. Yeah, they're still turning. See? Kind of. I mean, it's kind of really broken. Rear drive shaft's gone. Yeah. Yeah, it broke something really bad in this thing. What are they doing? Are they after me again? Watch. Oh no, they're after that car. Gotcha. Oh, we're driving in front wheel drive. I had to actually do that for like 4 months before. Huh. That happens sometimes. My rear drive shaft actually exploded in a Dodge of mine. Right on the highway. That was fun. Of course, I stopped on a hill, so I had to put it in 4-wheel drive, and then I could put it in park. So that was fun, good, awesome. Ow. Oh, they're dead. That would have definitely killed them. So, going this way. Oh, that one got hit. Not by me, though, I don't think. I don't know. Well, then. Yep. Not rocks. Okay. It's not hit the rocks, but I want to see if how big of a jump I can actually make with this thing. If I can find one. I mean, it's not. It doesn't do too bad, actually. Whoever made this mod was pretty good. I didn't even pay attention. I just installed it. I just downloaded it, and that was it. So I want to actually get more mods and everything. See what I'm actually looking at. Uh-oh. Oh, that was actually a perfect landing. Until I hit a tree. Then I get stuck in it. Uh-oh. Yeah, I'm stuck. Alright. Time for a new car. The same truck, of course, but I'm gonna see something here. Come on. See, all these are all the game cars. I don't have any mods. So that sucks. Alright. Oh, I got this truck now. Seems like it's good. Does it have a radiator in it though? Like the last one didn't. Wow, everybody's getting chased by cops. That one was right next to me. Huh. Well, that was deep. I don't know, we'll see if it overheats. If it overheats, then there's definitely something not right. I never changed the transmission either, since the same one that was in this truck. Yeah. Wow. I do like the looks of this though. Yeah, if I ever get a first gen Cummins, it would definitely look like this, but if... Okay, it'll look like this. What? Why? What did I do? Bye. Let's see if we can get away from these cops. If I don't hit anything, I'll get away. Should do some police chases and things on here too, maybe. Well, I just gotta figure out what I want to actually do. This is a fun truck. I like the Cummins first gens. Am I getting away or no? Probably not. So how is everybody doing? I'm doing pretty good, I guess. Oh boy. Oh. Oh no. I rolled it. Oh, look at that. It's all crushed. Oh yeah. Yeah. Alright. Get up here. Oh no, it's not gonna. Oh, okay. Who are they chasing now? Well, I got away from them. So that's something. That cop didn't care about me. Oh, the highway. Wanna see the top speed of it? Let's go. Top speed of my mud truck is 50 because it does not handle very well at all. This truck's not bad though, it's 70. Okay. It's kinda slow, not gonna lie. It does have a little pole. Oh, the cops do care if you're speeding. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Tire hobble. That's for sure. That's normal. With a tire hobble, you can't hear any fucking thing. Watch this one. Dead. Ouch. Yeah, I think I would have. Well, actually, Cummins held up. If it wasn't upside down. See ya. That's weird how the other one, like. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I remember this. Oh, boy. Alright, you know what I'm gonna do for the last because this is probably gonna be the end of the video, I'm gonna jump into. I don't know what e-brake is. Well, I guess it's none of them. I'm gonna jump into another car. So I decided that I'm gonna put turbochargers on it instead of superchargers. Is that the biggest engine? Oh yeah. And this is a car I decided to grab. So interior, I don't care. Okay, well, I think we're good on that. So this is a car that I'm gonna give her with. Sounds pretty good. Oh yeah. It's kind of loud though. There we go. Yeah, she's giving her. Yeah, this car is pretty loud. Wow. Let's see here. No, the cops are after me again. Haha! Bring her. Yeah, this will be dead if I hit the car. Oh boy. Nope, dead. Oh, maybe not. Might have lived. Oh yeah, she's giving her. Yeah. Oh, it glitched on me a little bit. Come on, there we go. I need new exhaust. Will they actually come in here? Oh, that sounds so good in here. Where's the e-brake? Oh yeah. They don't care about you doing donuts, I guess, but... Oh. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, there's a trailer right here. Ah, oh, this looks like a good one too. Well, I guess you don't want to do off-roading with this car. Just so you know, you really don't want to. But yeah, this is me. I took a Camaro off-roading once. That was not fun. Okay. That would have killed him. Eh, drive. Everything else is not good. No, body's so damaged. Yeah, body's so damaged it doesn't even want to move. Come on, come after me. God, these cops are kind of slow, aren't they? Yeah, he's stuck. Yeah, this car would be awesome to have if I really actually had it. Oh, it did the glitch thing again? Oh yeah, dead. That was like instant kill right there. Uh-huh. Oh boy. Actually, I didn't hurt it. Oh yeah, I did. I bent something. Oh crap, I didn't. Oh well. I have to get out of here somehow. Oh, yes. There's the jump I was looking for before. Alright, well, this is... If I don't destroy my car before I get to that jump, this will be it. Hold on. Okay, reset it. We're gonna jump this sucker in. See how much... Oh, you got it. Alright, we're good. Will it make it? Nah, not really. Okay, well... That's how that happened. So... That'll do it for this video, so... Thanks for watching, and see you next time.